Devendra Fadnavis will become Chief Minister for the third time. Devendra Fadnavis's name is fixed for the post of Chief Minister and formal announcement is pending and it will be done in BJP legislature meeting tomorrow. Devendra Fadnavis was CM from 2014-2019 and for 3 days in 2019. So Raja Lakshmi Joshi, before we get to you, we also have with us my colleague Daryl Miranda joining us on the telecast. Daryl, according to our sources, we are seeing that we have continued to see that Devendra Fadnavis has been the front runner for the CM race, and now we're seeing that his name is fixed and only the formal announcement is left.
If you see when the results were declared, Devendra Fadnavis was leading the race for the CM post in Maharashtra, and even now is the first place in the CM phase of Maharashtra. But if you see now what information we are getting through sources is that Devendra Fadnavis' name has been finalized by the central leadership in Delhi and only a formal announcement has to be made by the BJP in Maharashtra. If we see a party meeting of the BJP MLAs is also set to take place tomorrow in Mumbai, where all the newly elected MLAs will be electing their group leader, and most likely it is said that Devendra Fadnavis is expected to be elected as the group leader. And the announcement of Devendra Fadnavis for the third time as the CM of Maharashtra will be also be announced tomorrow. And today also, if we see major developments taking place in Mumbai, because the meeting of the Mahayuti Alliance is set to take place today evening at CM Eknath Shinde's worker residence bungalow in Mumbai. And it is said that this meeting might take place evening at 5 p.m. where all the top three leaders of the Mahayuti, that is Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, are set to come together and decide on the cabinet portfolio allocation. In that meeting, after that, it is said that there will be a press conference held by these leaders, and where everything will be discussed and will be told in front of the media, whether it is the cabinet portfolio allocations or the CM phase. So, what information right now we are receiving is that Devendra Fadnavis' name has been finalized in Delhi by the central leadership, but only official announcement is yet to be made on this. Back to studio.
All right, Daryl, thank you for joining us. We also have with us Raja Lakshmi Joshi. Raja Lakshmi Joshi, now we are seeing as per our sources, BJP is just set to announce CM's face and Devendra Fadnavis' name is, he's finalized. It's just the formal announcement that is left. So what's your take on that?
Yes, like I was telling you earlier, there is this protocol wherein some observers are sent from the central part of the BJP, and they have this meeting with the elected members of the BJP legislature, and amongst them they decide the name of the leader, who is then announced as the CM. Now here it took a little longer time, I guess, because first they had to settle the issues with the two alliance partners, and then when it was decided then that it is going to be from the BJP, and that is when they have called for this meeting, and also the observers are going to be there in Mumbai having this meeting with the BJP MLAs. So after that there will be the formal announcement. But like I have been saying, I think that Mr. Devendra Fadnavis is the most ideal person for this job, and he definitely is the front runner. And I think that it is almost certain that he is going to be the next CM. So yes, the BJP is known for throwing in surprises, but here the situation is slightly different in the sense that there are alliance partners who also have to be taken care of, and the next CM will have to be somebody who will be able to handle and be able to manage all of them smoothly. So I think that Mr. Fadnavis, having had this experience of being in this coalition government in the past, and he has also had the experience of being the CM for 5 years successfully, I think that he is the top person for the job. And I think that the BJP has already probably made up its mind, but it's just that they want to follow protocol.